What is a landform? A landform is any natural feature on Earth's surface that is part of the terrain. The Earth's surface is a combination of 30% land and 70% water. Continents and oceans are the two largest types of landforms. Continents represent the largest landmasses on Earth, separated from others by water or other natural features. There are 7 continents on Earth. Let's find out what they are called. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. Let's move on to oceans. Oceans are vast saltwater expanses that separate the continents. Although all oceans are interconnected, they are categorized into 5 distinct bodies of water based on location and circulation patterns. They are the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Notably, the Pacific Ocean is both the largest and the deepest, covering 1/3 of Earth's surface. Smaller landforms are shaped by various natural processes. Erosion caused by wind and water can reshape the Earth's surface. Volcanic eruptions and tectonic plate movements create or modify landforms. Let's now explore some of the diverse landforms and water features found on our planet. Mountains are among the most prominent landforms, recognized by their steep slopes and towering peaks. Mountains typically form when rock layers are pushed together from opposite directions, causing the land to rise. Smaller, less steep landforms are called hills. The low areas between mountains are referred to as valleys. Volcanic activity can also shape mountains, with lava and other materials building up on the surface. However, volcanoes don't solely create mountains. When lava flows into the ocean, it can sometimes form islands. An island is a piece of land completely surrounded by water and can vary in size and location. The largest island globally is Greenland. While Australia, although larger than Greenland, is considered a continent, not an island, due to its vast size. 2 other landforms that blend land and water are peninsulas and isthmuses. An isthmus is a narrow land strip with water on both sides, connecting 2 larger landmasses. A well-known example is the Panama Isthmus, linking North and South America. A peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by water on 3 sides but connected to the mainland on the 4th. Italy and Florida are prominent examples of peninsulas. Coastal regions feature distinct landforms, like bays, coral reefs, and lagoons. Estuaries are areas where rivers meet the sea, allowing the mixing of saltwater from the ocean with freshwater from the river. Estuaries are often characterized by their meandering, shallow waters that permit sunlight to reach the seafloor. Rivers are fed by rainfall or melted snow and flow from high elevations, such as hills or mountains, toward lower terrain. Smaller streams merge to form larger rivers, and these, in turn, combine until they eventually reach the ocean. Sometimes, rivers flow into large bodies of water before reaching the ocean, creating lakes. Lakes can be freshwater or salty, with the Great Salt Lake in Utah being a famous example of a salty lake. We also have plains. Plains are extensive flat areas without hills or mountains, with the Great Plains in the central United States serving as a notable example. Then there are deserts. Deserts are dry, arid regions with low precipitation. They can have various landforms within them, including sand dunes, rocky plateaus, and salt flats. We also have caves. Caves are underground cavities formed by various geological processes, such as the dissolution of limestone by water. Lastly, we have glaciers. Glaciers are large masses of ice that can reshape landscapes over time by eroding and depositing sediments. Numerous other landforms exist beyond the ones discussed here. Landforms are a fundamental part of our world. They provide habitats for a wide range of ecosystems and influence human activities, including agriculture and transportation. Hope you enjoyed learning about them. Please subscribe for more such videos.